I just finished these earrings and this matching necklace using the Simply Beads kit from Annie's, and I had such a blast putting it together. I hope you'll stay tuned and see how I put this gorgeous set together. I have been looking forward to the Simply Beads kit for quite some time. Right now I'm just going ahead and dumping out each one of these individually packaged baggies. I love Annie's because they take great pride in shipping their products and making sure that we are receiving what we purchase with so much care and love. That's why I really think Annie's is a top-notch quality place. I'm a little biased, but I think Annie's really knocks it out of the park when it comes to your beading kits. So what we're going to be working on today is these two earrings and doing this necklace. Now, just by looking at this necklace and knowing how jewelry making works, we're going to be making a series of dangles. Now, those instructions are here at the top of our instructions that are very lovely, well written, and very cleanly executed. I really like the fact that I could just pretty much look at what I need to do right quick and get going. It says that I need to make 18 of this dangle and 15 of the smaller dangle, and it looks to me as though that those larger dangles are the emphasis for the necklace. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to execute the most perfect dangle. All right, let's go ahead and grab our supplies and get going. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect dangle. I've grabbed one of my teardrop shapes with the bulbous point near the bottom of the ball-tipped head pin. Go ahead and grab your teardrop and put your fingernail near the top, and then against that go ahead and push the top down so you can make a 90-degree angle with that head pin. Then you grab your 4-in-1 tool, and the trick is to have a generous 1/4 of an inch here near the top of your teardrop cut. Now I like to turn it so my cutting side is away from me, and then I want to make sure that I kind of give it a generous 1/8 of an inch on this side, and I clip, and that will give you the perfect amount every time. Go ahead and grab that ball tip head pin that you've cut, turn it over as far as you can, and then grab it again after you've rotated your hand and complete that circle. Now you have a ball tipped head pin dangle that's going to go great on my necklace. Now I've taken the liberty of not actually cutting my chain. It comes with directions to say you need to cut your oval chain to 17.5 inches. I like my necklaces slightly longer, so I'm actually not going to cut that. I did add a jump ring at the end of this along with an alligator clasp, so it has completed edge on this side, and I also need to complete it on this side with 10 jump rings and a dangle. So I've zoomed out here so you could see the entire length of my necklace. Now I'm taking my beading mat, and I've oh so carefully put a pin in through the last 2 chains, not including the extender and the last jump ring for the alligator clasp. Used a pin and gone across both of them so they are nice and firmly not moving at all. Then I gently put my hand straight down the chain so I could find the exact center of the chain. Now after doing that, I'm going to go ahead and attach a dangle here at the bottom, and then a dangle after 2 short and 1 long oval chain. So in every other large oval, I'm going to place a large dangle. I've gone ahead and attached all of these large dangles here. There are 18 in total, and I know I kind of broke the rules a little bit because I really want a full necklace, and because I didn't cut the chain, I've got a little ways to go as far as room. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing with the smaller chain length. I'm going to find the middle chain, and then I'm going to put the remainder of my dangles that I put together over here and put them spaced evenly with 2 links in between, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I finished attaching the rest of my dangle A's to this chain, and now I have to attach the chain to the oval chain And the directions say to go ahead and open a jump ring, place that right above the last dangle. I'm going to pick this large loop here so there's some separation. You guess you could do the small chain in between. Then I'm going to go ahead and attach one edge of this dangle onto the jump ring and then securely close that up. Make sure those ends line up evenly and perfect. And now my necklace is ready to wear. I'm very excited about this one. It's so gorgeous and beautiful. Now I'm ready to attach the rest of my ear dangles to the bottom of this earring. Grab your 4-in-1 tool and look for the open end of your dangle loop. Now I can tell it's this end because there's a gap there. Now you want to open it towards you or away from you. You don't want to go right or left. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those with my 4-in-1 tool and move it towards me. Then you want to go ahead and insert that into your earring loop that is pre-attached to the bottom of your earring. Now I'm going to let my earring dangle and move it down to the original spot. And now you can see that that clasp, that closure is perfectly set, and that dangle is not going anywhere. All I have to do now is attach the rest of my earring dangles and I'm ready to proceed. Thank you so much for joining us here at Annie's, and I cannot wait for you to see the next project I have to do.